Hey, welcome back to the channel. We have a gas tank leak, right? Not gonna panic. I got some JB Weld gas tank repair, putty, epoxy, right? Let's go check it out, see if it works. Been restoring cars for quite some time, and every once in a while, brand new gas tank, it leaks, and this one's leaking on the seam. I'm going to show you where it's leaking. Well, as you can see the drops. Okay, there we go. Gas is leaking, and it's leaking right up on this little seam right there. And it's something you really can't know until you fill the tank up, which the tank's in the car. The tank is full, and I noticed it's starting to get these little drops on the bottom of the tank. All right, it happens. You can't weld it, right? Well, you could try it, but you're only going to weld it one time. So let's try this putty. Now we got to wear gloves with this. It says right in the directions, gloves. Use gloves. Gloves, gloves, gloves. So I got these. Got a whole box of these little rip-resistant little rubber gloves. The tank is drained pretty much. I have it down. I had it siphon out about a good 5 gallons out of it to lower it down. I don't know if that's even necessary, so I'm just going to go wipe it off, and we're going to mix the putty up. It's already, this is not a two-part A and B. This is just a putty, okay? Comes in a tube. But what activates it, the activation is actually just by you rubbing it together. It has like goo in the inside, and when you apply, I don't know if I need all this, when you mix it up and squish it, you apply part A with part B. So let's mix this up. It stinks too. Does it smell like roses? It's on a weird spot. It's right on the edge. It's right on the seam. I don't know if it's gonna work. All right, the putty is mixed. Look how nice. Okay, it's mixed. Let's go apply it. If we're just gonna like stick it on the edge, like this, maybe, I don't know. Oh, I really like to take these gloves off. I want it to look, you know, decent. I don't know if this is even gonna work, but I gotta get the gloves off. I just can't do it with the gloves on. I'll wash my hands. I don't know. Alright, that looks better. Yeah, it was sticking to my glove. Alright. I don't know how far up I can go. the putty setup, and it's hard as a rock. I had it sitting for at least about 2 hours. So let's check it out. I mean, it's hard as a rock. Now, personally, it's in a spot that's not really the greatest, you know, but it did stop leaking. The only other option you have to drain the tank, and there's a sealer that I would use on an older car that you can't buy a tank, and you would dump it in, swirl it around, let it set up, you know, and that would seal the tank. But I would have to drain it, and which is not a real big deal right now, because it's on the Charger, it's only one strap and the tank comes out. We might do that. Let's see what happens. Let's see if I like this, the way this all sets up like this. JB Weld tank weld. It worked. It stopped the leak. It's no longer leaking. Aesthetic wise, I don't know if I like it, but it did work. So thanks for coming along. Please like and subscribe, and we have a lot more to do. I'll see you again on the next video. Thank you.